In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending on Walmart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to spot what's buzzing right now and how to quickly browse through those popular picks. First, open your browser and head over to walmart.com. Give the homepage a second to load. Walmart updates their front page frequently, so the layout might shift a bit depending on the season or ongoing promotions. Front and center along the top, you'll see the search bar. This is the fastest way to get straight to trending items. Click into the search bar, type the word trending, and then press enter or tap the search icon. This will pull up results that surface items associated with trends across the site. You may see curated collections, topical categories, or items that are currently popular among shoppers. If you're exploring and just want to see what's hot right now, this search term is a simple shortcut. There's also a second way to find trending items directly from the homepage. If you prefer to browse, stay on the home screen and start scrolling down. As you move past the initial banners and featured deals, look for a section labeled Trending on Social. This section highlights products gaining traction across social platforms and among Walmart customers, and it's designed to be easy to spot as you scroll. Once you're in the Trending on Social section, you'll see a row of product tiles. Each tile typically shows a product image, price rating, and sometimes a quick note indicating why it's popular. Think of this as a snapshot of what's currently catching attention, updated regularly so you're not looking at last month's buzz. To explore more items in this section, use the next icon on the right side of the row. It usually looks like a small arrow. Clicking that will slide the carousel and reveal additional trending products without leaving the page. If you're on a phone or tablet, you can often swipe horizontally to move through the items, which works just like tapping the next arrow. A quick tip as you browse: if you don't immediately see the Trending on Social section, scroll a bit further or refresh the page. Placements can shift. And remember, trends can change quickly, so what you see today might be different tomorrow. That's all there is to it. Use the search for a direct route to trending, or scroll the homepage to find the Trending on Social carousel, then tap the next icon to keep discovering more. Happy browsing, and enjoy finding what's hot on Walmart right now.